explain construction of DFA, which accepts the language L containing strings of strings which are starting with any substring. Okay, now in the previous video I discussed about DFA construction of any languages containing strings ending with. Now I'm going to explain the DFA construction which accepts language L containing all the strings starting with some substring. Okay, so starting with string. It is having one procedure like ending with. It is also having one procedure. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the procedure. Like ending with, starting with also containing some steps. Okay, na? So DFA construction. Here we are talking about DFA construction. What is the constraint here? Here construction is based on language L containing strings. This language L is containing strings. Here all the strings are starting with some substring. Assume that substring is Z. That substring is Z, because so based on Z value, we say that these number of states are required. Okay, now in ending with, so based on Z length, we say that suppose if Z length is n, the number of states required, minimum number of states required are n plus 1. Here we are going to see the same steps with the slight modification or with little modification. Suppose first step. So before going to construct any DFA, anyway we will see example, don't worry. So before going to construct any DFA, we need to decide how many number of minimum states that are required. So first step is minimum states required. We need to decide minimum states required. How many number of minimum states required to construct a DFA? So here the problem is strings containing the language L. Based on language L, we are constructing DFA, but all the strings are starting with some substring Z. Okay, na? Suppose the size of the Z is n. Size of the Z is n. Then n plus 2 states are required. Unlike n plus 1 states are required in ending with. Here in starting with n plus 2 states are required. N plus 2 states are required now. Okay, na? So in this n plus 2 states are required to construct DFA. Then what is the next step? Once after deciding there are n plus 2 steps are required, we need to draw those n plus 2 steps, states. Draw the above states. Whatever the states you decided, draw those above states. Okay, so first step is we need to find the minimum number of states required to construct DFA. That minimum number of steps are decided based on substring Z. If Z size is n, suppose Z is ABB, 4 characters are there, then 6 states are required to construct a DFA of that particular problem. Now draw the above states without any connections. Okay, next, as a DFA construction in ending with, here also we decide the strings. I will tell you how to decide strings on which the DFA is constructed. So we need to decide. We need to decide the strings on which the DFA is constructed. So before constructing DFA, once after deciding number of states, we need to also decide on which strings we are going to decide, we are going to construct a DFA. Okay, now in fourth step, simply construct the DFA on the above decided strings. So whatever the strings you are decided in step 3, simply construct the DFA on above decided strings. Okay. Now once after constructing DFA with above decided strings, we may not get all these states have completely connected. Means What is the behavior of DFA? We know. So DFA in each and every state in DFA should contain all the transitions. All the transitions means if number of symbols are 3, then every state should contain 3 transitions on 3 different symbols. We need to check whether those transitions are happened or not. Complete transitions are happened or not between the states or from the states. If not, they are like that. If not, they're like that. Then whatever the left transitions means remaining, left or remaining transitions. All the remaining transitions are connected to dead states. Here we are going to take one separate state, that is n plus 2 na. N plus 1 states or the states as ending with. Here we need one more state, that is dead state. So simply connect all the remaining states to the dead state. So this is the procedure. So first step is minimum identify or find out minimum number of states required. That is depending on Z or substring. So if Z is n, then number of states required are n plus 2. How? I will tell you. So draw the above states without any connections. Then after that, we need to decide on which strings we are going to construct DFA first. Now construct DFA on above decided strings, these strings. Once after constructing DFA with the decided strings, is there any left transition or remaining transitions that are there at each and every state? We need to decide. And if remaining states are there, then we need to connect all the remaining transitions to the dead state, not to initial state as ending with case. As ending with case, in ending with case, we simply are blindly connect all the remaining or left transitions to starting state. Here we are going to connect all the left transitions to dead state. What is dead state now? Suppose starting with, suppose ABB. Starting with ABB. Suppose question is starting with ABB. Suppose your string starts with B. No, that particular string should not be accepted. Then you are supposed to make that particular transition to dead state. Suppose second character is A, then connect that particular character related transition to dead state. Third character is also A, then connect that particular character to dead state again. Okay, now we will see. Yeah, the same problem we will see now. Okay, suppose if you want to construct DFA, that accepts language L containing strings. Language means group of strings or characters containing strings. All the strings are starting with ABB. Let us assume this is only the problem. Or if you understand this problem, we can solve any other problem. I will show you now. So what is the first step now? Now start from stepwise. What is the first step? Find out minimum number of states required. What are the minimum number of states required now? What are the minimum number of states required here? Minimum number of states required are, what are the minimum number of states required? First step is minimum number of states. What is Z size? Z size is 3. Here Z equal to ABB. Then size is, what is size of ABB? 3. Size is 3. Then how many states required? 5 states are required. Here 5 states are required. Then decide 5 states. What are those 5 states? Q0, Q1, Q2, okay, Q3. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and dead state D. And D is the dead state, or you can call it as QD. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, QD are the states required for constructing this particular DFA. Okay, now decide the strings. I told you already how to decide the strings. First start with ABB. Please remember carefully. Please listen carefully. Start with ABB. So now we are there at third state. We decide the strings. Anyway, draw the above states. I will show you how to draw the states and connect DFA. Decide the strings now. ABB. Okay, na? As ending with, we keep ABB as ending string. Now in starting with, you should start with ABB and take first character. You should start with ABB and take first 2 characters. You should start with ABB and take first 3 characters. Okay, so these are the strings. But in ending with what we did, ABB should be end. and A, first character is A, B, B. Second, first two characters are A, B, so A, B, A, B, B. And first three characters are A, B, B, so A, B, B, A, B, B were the strings required for constructing DFA. Now here strings are A, B, B. A, B, B should be there at starting state, and starting character is A, so A, B, B, A. A, B, B, first two characters are A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. So first you need to decide or construct DFA with these four strings, four strings. After that, we will see what are the left transitions, and those left transitions we can connect by using dead state transition. Okay, na? So I will remove these. Anyway, I will remove this because these states are already we already decided. Okay, na? So how many states are required? What are those states, and what are the strings required now? So I'll erase it. Okay. Now I'm going to construct the states now. Okay. This is one circle, and within this circle, take Q naught is the initial state. Okay, na? So initial state, how can we represent initial state? By using arrow. Okay, na? Take another circle, assume this is circle, and take Q1 is the state, and take another circle, take Q2 is the state, take Q2 is the state. How many states we decided? 4 states, and dead state is 5th one. Take Q3 is this state, this is final state, so that's why take double circled state. Please remember, please take it as circle. This is Q3. Okay, na? And take one state, one extra state, that is dead state. Either you represent dead state as D or QD, whatever it may be. Okay, na? Now these are the 4 states I took. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So Q0 is initial state, Q3 is acceptance state. Then what is the first string now? What is the first string? First string is ABB. Now take ABB transition and show that ABB is also accepted, because through ABB you are supposed to reach acceptance state. Now this is A. Okay, na? Symbol on this particular transition is A. A, B, okay, and B. So by using ABB, we can reach acceptance state. So ABB is accepted. ABB is accepted. Okay, na? Next, ABBA. What I told you already in ending with, while constructing DFA, you must utilize all the existing paths only. So whenever new path construction is required, existing paths are not possible, then only we need to construct new paths. We did this same in ending with. So here also ABB, use constructed paths first. ABB. So once your mission sees ABB starting with, then your mission must accept all the remaining A's and B's. Number of A's and number of B's should be accepted once your mission sees ABB as starting characters. So ABBA. Okay, next one is ABBAB. ABB, once with ABB we reached acceptance state, and you should also represent B here only, because once your mission sees or experiences ABB as first 3 characters, then your mission should accept all the remaining A's and B's. Any number of A's and B's are there, your mission should accept once ABB is the starting 3 characters. So next ABB, ABB. So ABB, ABB are there here. Okay, now we can take this. Then what about whatever the left transitions, blindly connect those left transitions to dead state. So anyway, Q3 has A transition and B transition. Now Q0 doesn't have B transition, because if starting character is B, then that is invalid according to your question. Okay, now if starting character is B, that is invalid. If starting character is B, then such type of strings are not valid, because starting with B is not a legal string to this. So starting with B is not legal. Even second character is A is not legal. Second character is A is not legal. Second character is B. Second character should be B. That is not legal. Even third character is A, that is not legal to your problem. Third character is A, that is not legal to your problem. Okay, na? So if first character is B, then even the remaining 2 characters are B. If first character is B, that is not legal because first three characters should be A, B, B. Even first character is A, but second character is also A, not B, then your machine should not accept that. Even the first two characters are A, B, third character is not B, third character is A, your machine should not accept. So once with these characters, once your machine reaches dead state, it is never coming back to, it never come back to acceptance state because these strings are not legal according to your problem. So whatever the number of A's and number of B's after that, after first character is B or second character is A or third character is A, after that any number of A's and B's, your machine should isolate here at D only because all these three characters related strings are illegal. Even first character related strings are starting with B, that is legal, not legal to your problem. Of course, that may be legal to other problems, but according to your problem, starting three characters are ABB. So ABB, like this, your problem should contain. But first character is B, that is not legal to your problem. First character is A, second character is also A, that is not legal to your problem. First character is A, second character is B, but third character is A, that is not legal to your problem. So this is the DFA, which accepts all the languages containing strings starting with ABB. Starting with ABB. Okay, na? We can also cross-check any string. But before going to cross-check, I will show you how to write mission because you should write accept automata A or mission M. Automata A or mission M. What is mission M? Q sigma delta Q naught F. Q sigma delta Q naught F. Okay, na? What is Q? Set of states. Q naught. Set of states are Q naught, comma, Q1, comma, Q2, comma, Q3, Q3, and one more state is there, either QD or simply D. QD or simply D. So this is Q3. Sorry, capital Q. This is capital Q because our mission meaning is Q sigma delta Q naught F. This is capital Q. Next one is sigma. Sigma means input alphabet. What are input alphabets now? Means input symbols on transitions. A and B are input symbols. So this is sigma. Okay, na? This is sigma. Delta I will show you. Delta is transition table. Delta I will show you. What is Q naught? Q naught is Q naught only. Q naught is Q naught only. Q naught is Q naught. What is acceptance state? F Q3. Set of final states. Its set of final states is Q3. Okay, now this is mission definition. This is mission definition. Okay, na? So Q sigma delta Q naught F. This is Q. Q means set of states. Finite set of states which are used in DFA. Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3, and D. Sigma is A comma B. Input symbols. Delta is transition table. I will show you now. Okay, na? Q naught is initial state. Initial state is Q naught. Acceptance state is Q3. Okay, na? Then I will show you how to draw a transition table. I will show you how to draw transition table. Okay, na? Anyway, this is not required. This is not required. This is not required now. Okay. So now I will show you transition table now. So transition table is requiring column. Okay, one table. Transition table is requiring one table with states and symbols. States and symbols. Now this is not sufficient area to show all these tables related transitions. Anyway, I will erase now. Anyway, you understood now Q sigma delta Q naught F. I will erase this. Okay, na? I will erase this and I will draw transition table here. I will draw transition table here. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you now. Yeah. Because more number of rows are required. Okay. Two columns are required anyway. Those two columns symbols are input symbol is A, input symbol is B, because we are going to calculate transitions because alternate representation of DFA is transition table. So initial state is Q naught. Initial state is Q naught. How can you represent initial state in transition table? With arrow. With arrow. Okay. So this is first row. I will tell you how to do. Next state is Q1. next state is Q1. Simply we are showing transitions or arrows here, transitions related outputs. This is Q2, this is Q2, and Q3. Q3 is acceptance state. We represent acceptance state by using star, or we can also represent acceptance state within circle. Any representation we can use. And finally, dead state D is there. Dead state D is there. Okay, na? And I will show you how to fill this table. How to fill this table. Carefully observe. Okay, na? Now Q naught on A. What is Q naught on A? Q naught on A is Q1. Just I am writing the meaning of the transition diagram as a table, like a graph, converting graph into its adjacency matrix or a table. Okay, na? Q naught on A is Q1. What is Q naught on B? Q naught on B is dead state. Q naught on B is dead state. What is Q1 on A? Q1 on A is dead state. Q1 on A is dead state. Q1 on B is Q2. Okay, na? What is Q2 on A? Q2 on A is again dead state, because we know starting three symbols are ABB. Q2 on B is Q3. Q2 on B is Q3. Q2 on B is Q3. What is Q3 on A? Once your machine reaches acceptance state, it can accept any number of A's and B's after that, because your machine is already seen ABB as starting symbols. Once any string is starting with ABB, which must accept any number of A's followed by any number, or any number of A's and B's combination. But once your machine reaches dead state means for the false strings only we are reaching, false strings. Then once your machine reaches dead state, it must be staying at dead state only. It never come back to acceptance state. So in this way we can fill transition table. This is the alternate representation of DFA. So either in this way we can represent DFA, or in this way we represent DFA. This is transition diagram. This representation is called transition table. Suppose if you want to check any string, any string. Suppose string ABB. If you want to check whether ABB is acceptable or not, I will show you. ABB is acceptable or not. ABB. Okay, na? ABB. I'll show you now. Q naught on A, or I'll write and show you. Q naught on, either in this fashion we can show, or delta transitions fashion. Q naught on A. What is Q naught on A? Either you see in transition table, or you can see in transition diagram. What is Q naught on A? Q1. Once we reach Q1, what is the next symbol? Next symbol is B. What is Q1 on B? Q1 on B is Q2. What is the next symbol? Next symbol is again B. Okay, na? What is Q2 on B? Q2 on B is Q3. Then what are the next two symbols? Next symbol is A. Q3 on A is Q3 only. Q3 on A is Q3. So after ABB, any number of A's and B's that are coming in input string, those are blindly accepted, because one string starting with ABB, irrespective of the next symbols, because once your string, all the strings are containing ABB, whatever it may be the number of symbols or structure of symbols, other symbols, your machine once experiences ABB, it must accept all A's and B's combination. See, once after reading ABB, what is the final state? Final state is Q3. Q3 is acceptance state. Then ABB is accepted. ABB is accepted. AB is accepted. Now take another string, a non-accepted string, unaccepted string or non-accepted string. AB, AAB. Suppose next one is AB, AAB. Next one is ABAAB. I'll show you whether ABAAB is acceptable or not. ABAAB is acceptable or not. So first start with Q naught. First start with Q naught because Q naught is the initial state. So Q naught on A, Q naught on A is Q1. Q naught on A is Q1. What is the next symbol? Q naught on B. Q1 on B is Q2. Q1 on B is Q2. What is the next symbol? Next symbol is A. So first three symbols are A, B, B. But third symbol is A. Once third symbol is A, which reaches dead state. Dead state means it will never come back to acceptance state. It never reaches acceptance state. Again, next symbol is also A. If next symbol is also A, then that even after that, even once it comes into dead state, any number of A's and B's that are followed, which remains in dead state only. It remains in dead state only. See, after reading 5 symbols A, B, A, B, finally machine stopped at D. Even machine stopped at any other states other than acceptance state, we simply say that that string is not acceptable, or the particular DFA is not accepting the respective strings. So in this way we can cross check. Otherwise we can use delta transitions like delta Q naught, delta Q naught, comma A, delta Q naught, comma A equal to Q1, delta of Q naught comma A equal to Q1. Okay, now next delta of, now we are there at Q1, delta of Q1 comma, next symbol is B, delta of Q1 comma B equal to delta of Q1 comma B equal to Q2. Okay, now so in this way also we can write. But finally after writing all the transitions, whatever the output you got finally, immediately verify that output with the acceptance state. If output is matching with acceptance, because if you get the final output after reading the last symbol in the string, given string, after reading the last symbol, whatever the state you get, if the state is acceptance state, then we say that that string is acceptable. So either we prove in this fashion, or we can take delta transitions and apply all the symbols in delta transitions just by taking current state as the input state and current input symbol from this string, and get the output from this particular transition diagram or transition table, and show that the string is acceptable or not acceptable. Okay, so in this way we can draw any DFA. We can draw any DFA. Okay, na? We can draw any DFA like this. So thank you for watching my video.